How can we create our first plan project in 5D? Well, we click on new projects and there it's going to tell us create a room with interior design and decor in 2D and 3D without any special skills. We can start from scratch, use Smart, upload a plan, use templates or hire a designer. Let's click start from scratch and we begin in 2D. As you see, to access all interior elements and more, we should be members. Here we can analyze our project a bit. And look, we can extend the room size easily up top. We can view the project in 2D and 3D. We can add windows. We go to build and click on windows. And we want to add whatever. I won't get too creative. We pick this window and place it on a wall. Let's put it right here. If any architects listening, sorry, I'm just doing the tutorial. We can add other elements. Besides windows, we can add doors, stairs, and arches. Let's add a door too, like an entrance door. We'll take this one and put it, select it, place it here, opening outward. I don't like it opening outward. We can change it to open inward, makes more sense. Can we set which way windows open? No, they're not. Oh, this one doesn't open. If I choose one that does, I'm getting technical here. No, there isn't. Okay, now in 3D view, we'd see the door in that window I accidentally added. That's how we start our first project. Want to add an object? Let's go to search. Say we want a sofa, right? We search for sofa and all available sofas will appear. Okay, let's add this one. I'll switch to 2D, it's easier. Alright, we select the item and it also shows us the distance between items. Putting it here isn't ideal. Let's try to place it. Let's rotate it. Okay, I think I've rotated it well. I'll put it, I don't know, these windows are a bit, as I said, I wouldn't get technical. And yet, here I am getting technical. We can also change the material of the items. We select it, click on change item material. And instead of textile, let's make it yellow. Okay, again, please don't judge me. So there we have the sofa. I'll put it right here, it doesn't matter. Now in 3D, we can see the sofa's texture. Okay, I can move with WSD. Pressing shift makes me move faster. Like all design tools, really. Well, I think with this, you can start working. How can we add more walls in Planner 5D? We start with this 2D view, where we can extend the wall, or there we go, I thought we could place it like this. That's possible too, yeah. Wow, this is new, huh? It's new, just started using the tool, so a bit of patience, folks. We can rotate items as we like to fit them snugly. So how can we add walls? Well, we click on build here, okay? As you can see, we have create rooms. We can select pre-made rooms, alright? This works with already formed rooms and such. We can use Smart Tweezer to choose the smart shape, okay? For example, this one here, next step. Here we can change the room dimensions, for instance. Now AI will create the room, okay? Pretty cool if it would load, honestly. In this case, it's a bedroom. I'll leave it as is and let it complete to see the result. It's done. I'll switch to 3D view so we can see it better. As you can see, heavier projects take longer to load, which is completely normal. Well, it's not loading. It's just too heavy. Anyway, we could, for example, add this room, okay? We can delete it later. No big deal. I should be able to select it. There it is. Holding shift and dragging lets us remove multiple objects at once. Now we can draw walls, alright? We can take this and say, hey, let's put a wall here. I'm getting a bit confused. Right, we click draw walls, select this point and go. One wall here, another like this, and that one, and another like this. Do you like it? Do you like my house? Okay, that's it. To exit, we press escape. Obviously, I should add the floor and so on. But yeah, it's that simple.
¿Cómo podemos estar poniendo suelos en Planner 5D? Y es que, bueno, es bastante probable que os pase lo que a mí, ¿vale? Que le deis a Draw Walls, ¿vale? Ponéis aquí esta pared, vamos a hacerlo bien, eso y vamos. Seleccionamos este punto, ponemos este punto y cerramos y no nos pone la pared, ¿vale? Eso es porque tenemos que conectar el punto verde con el punto verde, ¿vale? Eso es importante, así que vamos a intentar hacerlo. Ahí está, punto verde con punto verde, ¿vale? Y ahí nos pondría el suelo. Que no nos pone el suelo por algún bug raro como me ha pasado a mí o porque simplemente no sabemos cerrarlo, pues ponemos una room, ¿vale? Nos vamos aquí al apartado de rooms, seleccionamos un cuadrado, perdón, y ya está. Y aquí nos ponemos a unir puntos y ya está, ¿vale? No hace falta tampoco complicarse la vida. Al final esto es para hacer una maqueta y poco más, ¿vale? Si queremos quitar una pared, pues unimos por ejemplo esta punta con esta punta, ahora ya tenemos forma de triángulo, ¿vale? Que queremos poner un punto entre medias, pues seleccionamos la pared, le damos este punto entre medias y podemos tener más caras, ¿vale? Lo vuelvo a seleccionar la pared, otro punto entre medias, más caras. Vuelvo a poner este punto y atención, más caras, claro que sí, ¿vale? Entonces nada, tampoco os compliquéis, así de simple.